Today I'm going to show you the national anthem of the United States in the key of C. Well, down in first position, you just need to know a C chord and a G chord. And it's a good finger picking exercise, just picking through with your fingers. So form a C chord. And it's the G string, D string, and A string. And back up. D string, G string, and the B string. Okay. Next part, high E string. And then I like hitting the C chord on the next one. D string, fourth fret on the D string, that's a bit of a stretch. I usually use my pinky. Then a G chord. And the second part. Then second fret on the G string. So very easy to do. Just watch your right hand fingering. It's a good exercise for your fingers and just to get the tune underneath your fingers on the left hand and the right hand. So I hope it's useful to you. Thanks for watching.